Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of Terrace Garden Cleanup. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please do check it out. So this morning my mom and I had breakfast and headed to terrace at around 12 pm. What you're seeing now is an old water purifier. She adds in all the kitchen waste from the top and after a few days you can collect the liquid fertilizer from the tap. Today's plan was to fill up the empty pots with the leftover soil and clean the terrace as much as possible. She is adding some cocoa peat, eggshell powder and some ash from the burnt wood to the soil. There were few other fruit-bearing plants which couldn't grow that well in the smaller pots, so today we have to transfer them to bigger pots. One of them is a sapota plant. The roots were so dried up, I had to submerge the roots in water for some time to loosen them up, and then we planted them in the old fridge boxes that we had. You can see how dried up they are. As for the fridge boxes, you can purchase them from the scrap shops. They cost less than 200 rupees and you can grow bigger plants like fruit bearing plants in such fridge boxes. When I talk about a sapota plant, I remember this one incident years back. Someone gave my mom a plant and they said this is a sapota tree, and she planted it. It grew into such a big tree, but then it did not even give one single fruit. The whole time I was rechecking with her if she's really planting a sapota tree. Right that time my sister joined and she is obsessed with earthworms. As soon as she came, she started collecting earthworms. You can see how she's playing around with them. She collected nearly 2 boxes of earthworms like that. I had purchased grow bags few months back. I purchased around 10 of them and they came under 300 rupees. These are good options if you are planning to plant spinach, coriander or mint leaves. And we obviously had to drink some tea. After drinking tea, I filled up some soil in all of these grow bags. For the time being, I filled up all of these grow bags and set them aside. And my mom said she will sow some seeds later. By now it was already 2 and we hadn't even cleaned up half the terrace. There was so much soil left over to be filled up. You can see how dirty the terrace looks. It was drizzling on and off, so we had to stop in between, take breaks and then continue with the work. My mom just wants more and more pots, but the terrace had so many unused pots. All these pots had dried up mud in them. I emptied all these pots and planted 3 lilies in them. Finally, we reached the last part of cleaning, that is sweeping the terrace. I started sweeping from one end of the terrace and my mom started sweeping the other end. There was so much dirt. There are so many birds here, so I set aside some water for them. Not sure if they'll drink the water because my dog chases around birds. This channel isn't just about gaining views. I am the most inconsistent person you can ever find. One moment I love something and the next moment I'm tired of it. I started this vlog with gardening, but there's going to be a lot of food and cooking too. This channel isn't going to be prim and proper, and I don't think any of us can even live a day like that. If you enjoy content that's messy, very real, you're welcome to stay and don't forget to subscribe. Help me prove that being inconsistent isn't such a bad thing after all. Now let's get back to gardening. This is how our clean terrace looks like. We also had a handful of harvest today, some cherry tomatoes and broad beans. I hate broad beans. Even though I help my mom in gardening, it doesn't mean I love vegetables. I know it's bad to not eat vegetables, but I just can't. I hate them. That is it with the terrace garden cleanup. See you next Friday. Have a nice weekend and I hope you're not working tomorrow. Bye.